Yay!
Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog. So, currently we're preparing for the Pastor's Appreciation Month, which hindi po alam ng mga full-time namin and pastors, but this is a great surprise. I hope they will like it and stay tuned.
So yun guys, sinimulan na ni Kuya Phil yung part 3 natin. So today, dadali na naman namin kayo kung saan kami kumakain. And this time, hindi ko alam kung anong plano, pero maraming ganap ngayon sa church. And sobrang hassle. Kasi nakita ko yung mukha nitong poging to. Ayun o, Kuya Franz, ano masasabi mo sa practice ngayon?
Masabi ko lang, ang hirap. Ba't kasi nagtagalog?
So guys, we will edit this video for you to watch na i-upload. We will try to develop every upload that we will be doing, and yun, we're looking forward to do these vlogs frequently, and nalobat siya. Thank you, bye-bye.
So yun guys, narinig niyo kay Kuya Phil. Si Kuya Phil naman talaga mag-i-edit na ito. Yung part 1, 2, 3, duduktong-duktongin niya na yun. Siya na bahala. Ano sabi nyo Kuya Phil sa vlog natin? Hey guys.